Look at this. My Windows 11 was running so many background processes just from Bloatware alone. After removing all of it, the number dropped significantly. My PC booted faster, felt snappier, and had noticeably more free RAM. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Bloatware is all the unnecessary apps and software that come pre-installed on Windows 11 that you never asked for and probably never use. Things like pre-installed games, Xbox Game Bar, clock, tips, weather, and a bunch of other apps running quietly in the background, eating up your RAM and slowing down your PC. We are going to remove all of it in two simple steps. First, through settings for the visible apps, and then through PowerShell for the hidden ones that settings does not even show you. Method 1. Remove visible bloatware through settings. Press Windows+I to open settings. Click on apps and then click on installed apps. Here you will see a full list of every app installed on your PC. Go through this list and look for apps you never use. For each app you want to remove, click the three dots next to it and then click uninstall. Then click uninstall again to confirm. Remove everything you do not need. Things like Xbox, tips, weather, news, get help, solitaire collection, and any other pre-installed app you never open. Method 2. Remove hidden bloatware through PowerShell. Now here is the part most people do not know about. There are hidden system apps that Windows does not even show you in the installed apps list. You cannot find them in settings at all. The only way to remove them is through PowerShell. One quick thing before we proceed. Only remove apps you are sure you do not need. Removing the wrong system app can sometimes affect how Windows work. Stick to the commands in the description and you'll be completely fine. Press Windows+S and search for PowerShell. Right click on it and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to confirm. Now we are going to use simple commands to remove these hidden apps one by one. You will find all the commands in the description below. Just copy and paste them directly into PowerShell and hit enter after each one. For example, Feedback Hub is a hidden system app that does not appear in your installed apps list. To remove it, paste this command and hit enter. Gone in seconds. Same for MixedReality.Portal, 3D Viewer, Xbox Game Bar, and a few others. All hidden from settings but removable through PowerShell in seconds. Go through the full list of commands from the description and remove everything. Each one takes just a few seconds. Once you're done, restart your PC. And now look at the difference. Background processes dropped significantly. Boot time is faster, RAM usage is lower, and the system just feels cleaner and more responsive overall. No unnecessary apps, no background processes running for things you never use, no wasted resources, just a clean, fast Windows 11 experience. So that is how you completely remove bloatware from Windows 11. All the PowerShell commands are in the description below. Just copy and paste them one by one and you are done. Now I want to hear from you. Did your PC feel faster after removing bloatware? Comment below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more Windows tips like this.